Okay guys, I did want to show this to you. Now, basically it's this little craft item that is used mostly for turning cups and mugs and things like that that you might be putting your inks on and then putting a coat of resin on so that you could use them. I thought it might be fun to try it with these ornaments, so I just put an old towel over this to protect the wood surface. I wasn't worried about the tablecloth, of course, but I did want to protect the wood surface. So this is neat though. You see, it does have two, so you can work on two projects at once. Or if you had a friend over and the two of you were working together, the neat thing is it has a little flip switch here that you can open, and this will separate and butt up back to back, so you could sit opposite of each other and work independently. Because over here, the little power switch is labeled with a 1 and a 2. So if I'm working but my partner was not, then that one stays off, or it can turn on as well. So this was almost perfect for the large ornament, but I did have to go in and add some masking tape around it just to give it a really good snug fit. If you were going to use the smaller ornaments, the mouth of the small ornaments is too small. What you could do is insert a dowel rod or something like a popsicle stick, you know, and wrap it so that it gets a nice snug fit in there, and then it would fit into the smaller ornament and you could still use this machine. I even had some of these ornaments, and they were just a little too small as well. So I didn't get to use this type of ornament on here, but did just want to share that one with you because it's an alcohol ink ornament as well, with white paint on the inside and then the stripes and the stamps around the top. But I did video working on a couple of ornaments using this, so I'm going to go ahead and start that now so that you'll be caught up. I just wanted to show you the little machine as well. This is a very warm ornament, but that's what I was intending. I wanted to see some reds, oranges, and yellows. But you could do the same thing with blues, greens. Okay. I can stop this here. And then you would let that dry and seal it. I'm going to put this back on something to dry. And we're going to do one in the greens, the blues. One thing I'm going to do, because little dots of white paint, I just saw one on there, that will cause an ugly spot on your ornament. So I'm going to grab a napkin, some alcohol, and just give it a little bit of a wash and hopefully get off any oil that may have been on my hands or paint or whatever. Whoops. Yeah, see, I had some inks showing up there on it. Hopefully get everything off. And I'm just going to get some color on. Let's try this navy though. And see the difference coming off of felt versus the paper towel. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to come back in and overlap just a little. And then I can come back over. And it's barely a movement. Feels so weird. I really like the striped look. Now I'm just putting about the same amount that if I was putting it on a stamper. See if that's enough. I'm putting it on the felt. I've got the felt folded in my hands, and I'm just laying it right against it while it's turning. Once it makes its complete circle, I shift my hand ever so slightly to widen the stripe of the color I'm putting on. Doesn't take much on the felt. That's why I said just kind of like if you were stamping. I'm going to lay that aside and grab, it's not a, whoop. Of course I'm mingling it into the other blue too, but I start to say it's not a whole lot different. But we're getting a little more green coming through. I think that's the Baja blue right there that I really like. The navy has a purple hue to it, which is pretty. I just think I like that one. I put it over here as well. Okay, I think I'm going to stop on that one. It needs to dry a little before it can be sealed as well. Okay guys, so here's our finished ornaments. They've been taken outside and sprayed, so they're sealed now. But I am going to let them sit for a good 24 hours just to really make sure that everything is settled and hardened. Alright, so the next video is going to be Christmas ornaments using paint instead of alcohol inks. And they're going to be equally as fun, and they're cute and a good way to use up your extra paint. So I'll see you in the next video.